Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English second paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, write from our verbs, exercise from 1 to 20. So let's see. Class 6. Subject English second paper, topic write from our verbs, exercise 1 to 20, term annual, lecture 22, teacher Ariful Islam, messenger Ariful Bari. This is a mobile number, this is today's date. So let's start the class. Second C, topic exercise write from our verbs 1 to 20. Annual term, lecture 22. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate right forms of verbs. So you can see number 1, the earth in the bracket move round the sun. So this is present indefinite tense, and this describes also universal truth. So move will be here moves because subject is third person singular number here. Okay, so the earth moves round the sun. Number 2, we usually in the bracket pass time in vain. So this is present indefinite tense. After we will write the main verb, and we will not add is or yes because we is plural. Number 3, so we usually pass time in vain. Number 3, we dash the bracket wait for her at this moment. So if we find at this moment in a sentence, we have to make the sentence present continuous tense. So after we will write are, and we are waiting, waiting. So we are waiting for her at this moment. Number 4, my father in the bracket read the newspaper daily. So as we find the adverb daily, we have to make this sentence present indefinite tense. So after subject we will add main verb. My father third person singular number, that's why we have to add is after the main verb. Number 5, so my father reads the newspaper daily. Number 5, I dash your letter just now. So if we find just now in a sentence, we have to make the sentence present perfect tense. So after present perfect tense, after I, we have to put have and past participle of main verbs. I have received your letter just now. Number 6, Hamid not waste his time. So here not is given, so we have to make the sentence negative sentence. So this is present indefinite tense, subject third person singular number. So when you will write the answer, you will write in this way: Hamid third person singular number, we have to put does and then not waste. So Hamid does not waste his time. Number 7, so he did not in the bracket bring the money yesterday. So yesterday is past indefinite tense, so you have to make this sentence negative, and you have to make this sentence also past indefinite tense. So in past indefinite tense we put did and not is given. After when you put give after this after did, we always have to put present form of the verb. So he did not bring the money yesterday. Number 8, I already dash a cup of tea. So if we find already in the sentence, we have to make the sentence present perfect tense. And if you find this adverb after the subject, we have to write in this way: I have underline and already. You have to write this adverb in the middle of have has and main verb. So I have already made. You have to underline only have and made. You do not need to underline this word already. R-E-A here will be A is given. So I have already made a cup of tea. Number 9, Arif dashed to the college recently. So recently is given. If we find recently in a sentence, we have to make the sentence present Perfect tense. So Arif has joined to the college recently. Number 10. I have dashed the work. So after have as, we always put past participle of main verb. So FINISHED, finished. So I have finished. FINI. This spelling is wrong. Let me write correctly. Finished. FINISHED. This is the answer. Number 11. Hasnan has in the bracket stole my pen. So after has, what will you put? Past participle of main verb. So Hasnan has stolen my money. Number 12. He had dash in the bracket get a job. After had, we have to put past participle of main verb. He had got a job. Number 13. No sooner had Onik dash see people, then he in the bracket run away. So both this sentence describes the past perfect tense. One is past perfect, one is past indefinite. So after had, we have to put past participle of main verb seen, and then this sentence will be past indefinite tense. Run, ran, run. So in past perfect tense, one is always past perfect tense and one remains the past indefinite tense. Both the work were done in the future. Number 14. Mahmoud dash to London next month. Next month, future indefinite. That's why we have to put will go. Mahmoud will go to London next month. Number 15. I dash the bracket see her on the street yesterday. Yesterday. So this is past indefinite tense. So we have to put after subject past form of main verb. I saw her on the road yesterday. The street yesterday. Number 16. Humayun dash visit Cox's Bazar last year. Last year is given. So this is past indefinite tense. We have to put past participle of we have to the subject, we have to put past form of the verb. Hamid visited Cox's Bazar last year. Number 17. She often dash in the bracket make mistake. So often is given. We have to make this sentence present indefinite tense. She often makes mistakes. She is third person singular number. That's why we're adding s after the main verb. Number 18. Pratik usually dash his work on time. Do is given in the bracket. Present indefinite tense as usually is given in the sentence. Pratik is third person singular number. We have to add is after the main verb. Pratik usually does his work on time. 19. Rapsan occasionally dash the class. Occasionally is given. So after the subject, we have to put main verb, and Rapsan third person singular number. We have to add es after the verb. Number 20. Rapsan occasionally misses the class. 20. I dash home yesterday. So yesterday is given. So we have to make the sentence past indefinite tense. After subject, we have to put past form of the verb. I came home yesterday. So my dear students, that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Abide with parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.